welcome back. My name is Teacher Aka, and today we will learn about a very interesting topic that is float and sink. But before we start with our lesson, we will first sing a song, okay? I want all of you to sing along with me. Are you ready? Yes. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Alright kids, are you ready to learn now? We will first learn about float. Okay, repeat after me please. Float. F-L-O-A-T. Float. Okay, that is when an object floats on water. Okay, float. Why does an object float on water? That is, all the objects are made out of small molecules or particles, okay? And some objects, the small molecules are tightly packed together and some are loosely packed together. So in objects where the molecules are loose, okay, the object floats, okay, because the density of the object is less than the water. That's why it floats on the water. For example, objects like plastic or paper or wood, okay, which are very light and loose particles, okay, those objects floats on water. And the next one is sink. Can you repeat after me? Sink. S-I-N-K. Sink. Now, why does an object sink? When the molecules in the object are tightly packed together, the density is high. That means it is heavy, okay? The density is more than the water. So it sinks inside the water, okay? It's heavy and it goes down. That is sink. We can also say sinking. Objects like, example, rock, metal like scissor, or anything heavy like a heavy spoon, right? It sinks inside the water. Now we will check some objects and see whether it floats or sinks. Okay, are you ready? Let's do it. Alright, now I have a tumbler of water here and I have some object. Let's see. What is this? I got a plastic, very light object, okay? It's a plastic lemon. Let's see if it floats or sinks. What do you think? Float or sink? Float. Very good. Now let's try very heavy, a rock. Okay, rock. Ooh, float or sink? Sink. Very good. Now this is wood. Okay, wood. Let's see if this float or sink. Float. Very good. Now I have a leaf. Okay, green leaf. Let's see if it floats or sinks. Wow, it floats. And we have a straw, plastic straw, okay? Float or sink? Float. Very good. Scissor. This is metal, okay? Metal. It sink. Okay, and lastly I have a metal spoon. This is heavy, okay? Let's see. Float or sink? Sink. Very good. Okay, now you can see here the objects that are floating. The molecules are loosely packed. It's light. The density is less, okay? and the object inside sink. The molecules are tightly packed. The density is more high. That's why it sink. Okay? Alright, now we have an exercise homework. Okay? You open your book, Science. Okay? Page number 9. And you look at your book and look at the object. The first object is a cork. It is made of wood. And then there's lock. It is made of metal. And torch, metal, and a straw. Okay? So it's written here, float or sink. You have to color the correct answer. Okay? And the next one is exercise. The next one, page number 10. Okay, so you look at the objects here. Some are floating, some are sinking. Float and sink, but some are not correct. It's wrong. So you have to cross out X, the wrong ones. Okay, and the next one is page number 11. Okay, here, the bottom one, you look here and you can see here paper clip, paper boat, and a car. So you have to color the correct answer, float or sink. Teacher will do it for you and show you, okay? Okay kids, that's all for today. I hope you had fun learning. Okay, I'll see you in the next class. Bye.